the first months, a lot of people in East Germany, they want to have all the products which they normally can't have in East Germany in history. So when I was going the first time then to Berlin, at the old border, you were able to see there was people were standing there with normal private cars, and in the trunks they had bananas. They had bananas, full of bananas, and I was thinking, what are they doing there? And they were buying.
Did they buy?
Yes, as I say,
from
was selling.
West Germany?
At the East German people were buying these bananas for a extraordinary high price. So they had to pay for a banana, which normally 50 bananas cost. So for one banana, they had to pay 5 D-Mark. That is about now. It's about €5. That's about
7,000 won.
Highly
7 to 8,000 won, one banana. And they were buying like hell because they had no banana in 40 years. I was
It's a
thinking.
kind of fraud.
Yes, it is. Absolutely, it is. It was such a it's fraud to sell bananas for this price, or kiwis, or all these oranges for 5 D-Mark per piece, and it was especially East German people were selling were buying what they can.
They don't know the price.
They don't know the price. They don't know the price. They were giving
It's
money.
the first time to buy.
They were
banana.
able to buy bananas, and they were buying bananas for extraordinary price. So, and on the other hand, a lot of the West German people were getting rich because of fraud.
근데 그 당시 그 총회를 하고 나서 서로 이제 이렇게 사기를 많이 당하고 그랬으니까 동독 사람들이 서쪽 사람들
더
많이
감정이 안 좋겠네.
질리고 그래서 이제 거리가 더 멀어지고 그럴 수밖에 없었어요. 그러니까 이제 인도주의로 해서 이렇게 생각을 하면은 통일을 이렇게 해서 하면 안 되는데 사람이 욕심 때문에 나쁜 사람으로서 이렇게 나는 마음을 먹어갖고 걔네들 사기를 쳐서 돈을 벌어야 되겠다 그런 생각이 아니고 그냥 평범한 사람들이 기회가 생기니까 갑자기 그렇게 나쁜 짓도 하고 그러더라고요.